What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to secure your Netflix profile with a password, ensuring that your viewing preferences and history remain private. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Netflix allows users to lock their profiles with a PIN, making it easy to protect your personal viewing space. This feature is handy for maintaining privacy and preventing others from accessing your profile without permission. First, understand that setting up a PIN for your Netflix profile can't be done directly through the Netflix app on your devices. You'll need to use a web browser. Open your preferred browser and head to netflix.com. From there, sign into your Netflix account. After signing in, tap on the burger menu icon located at the top left corner of the screen to access the menu. Then, navigate to Account. This takes you to a page where you can manage your account settings, including all profiles associated with your account. Scroll down until you find the section listing all the profiles. Choose the profile you wish to lock with a PIN. Now, underneath this profile's expanded settings options, you'll see an option called Profile Lock. Tap on Change next to it and you might be prompted to re-enter your account password for verification purposes. Once verified, you'll find the checkbox option to require a PIN to access your profile. Check this box and you'll be prompted to create a 4-digit PIN. Enter your desired PIN carefully and remember it, as you'll need this PIN every time to access your profile. After setting up your PIN, make sure to click on Save to apply the changes. It's important to note that changes might not reflect immediately on your devices. If you head back to your Netflix app right after setting the PIN, give it a couple of minutes for the changes to sync across all devices. Once the update takes effect, your profile will be locked and accessing it will require the PIN you've set. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.